You may have noticed that we're living in a world where technology is perhaps just a little bit important. You're watching this video on a phone, tablet or computer with an internet connection, probably via Wi-Fi or 4G. And to make this video, a digital camera, microphones, and a whole host of different types of software were used. All of us, without exception, are required to send each other electronic signals. Of course, this modern world is not the invention of just one person. But if you'd like to thank someone in particular for all the little conveniences of your digital life, we have a good suggestion. Joseph Fourier. Young Joseph Fourier was a promising mathematician. He taught his first class at the age of 16 in Grenoble and became one of the first professors at École Polytechnique right after its establishment. This is what he is known for: the Fourier series and the Fourier transform. Not sure you understand? No problem. Basically, these equations are absolutely essential. They're the basis of all theories involving a signal. They bring order to the information. Take this video, for example. Without Fourier's equations, you can forget about compression. And without compression, the file for this video would be far, far too large, making it difficult to send. The image would become more and more pixelated before lagging and ultimately crashing. Fourier knew from the get-go that his discovery would be valuable to many different areas, particularly everything electrical. However, the mathematician had initially invented these equations to facilitate the study of heat diffusion. It was actually through studying heat diffusion that he discovered that atmospheric gases, their concentration and their nature, affect the temperature of the Earth. This notion, which we can see manifest today, is known simply as the greenhouse effect. And if that wasn't enough, he was also an explorer for Napoleon and participated in the French campaign in Egypt as part of the Commission of the Sciences and Arts. This resulted in him gleaning an enormous amount of knowledge on ancient and modern Egypt and on the country's geography and natural history. A series of books, comprising 23 volumes in total, was written to compile all these discoveries, and Fourier had the honor of writing the preface of this massive work. His passion for Egypt stayed with him for the rest of his life, and looking at his grave in Père Lachaise Cemetery, you almost forget that this was one of the greatest mathematicians of all time.